Here's how to take your bentonite clay mask from really basic and leveling it up 10,000% with this particular recipe. So if you'd like to see how I accomplished this new and improved bentonite clay mask, then definitely keep on watching. So if you've never done a bentonite clay mask before, you should know that you can't use any metal utensils. The clay tends to pull out the impurities from metals, and so you want to really try to use plastic, glass, or wooden utensils for this. Of course, you're going to need your bentonite clay. You're also going to want to get some apple cider vinegar with the mother. It doesn't really matter what brand, but make sure it has the mother in it. And today I'm going to be using rose water. I generally use regular water, but today I just felt like using rose water for its extra moisturizing properties. So you're going to want to get your bentonite clay, put it into your bowl just enough for the length and thickness of your hair. And then you're going to want to take your apple cider vinegar and put just enough. Now I don't really have measurements for this as I kind of just eyeball it, but you just want to make sure you have enough to cover all of your hair, and as you see it kind of fizzes a little bit. And then I put a bit of the rose water just to make the texture or the consistency of my mask what I wanted. And you kind of just want to look for a loose texture consistency because of the extra ingredients we're going to be adding after, which is going to make it a little bit thicker. So the first of the ingredients we're going to be adding is Shikakai Powder. Now this powder is really good for hair growth, promoting healthy hair growth. It soothes the scalp. It is used to fight dandruff. It nourishes your hair follicles. It is also used as a cleanser. It adds shine. There's so many great benefits to using this particular powder. It is amazing. Next up, we are going to add our Reetha Powder, and this is another powder that I have been using in my Ayurvedic Reetha and Shikakai shampoo, and Reetha is amazing for hair as well. So again, I'm gonna just take a tablespoon of this powder and put that into our bentonite clay mask as well. For the next powder we're going to be using, this has been to me like one of the best things I've come across lately, and it is the Neem Powder. This powder is really good for treating dandruff. It is also used as a hair loss treatment. It is just amazing for the scalp, but similarly to the others, I'm going to add this to our bentonite clay hair mask. For this particular powder, I am going to add maybe like a teaspoon and a half, just because I really love what this powder does. I've used it by itself before with straight water as a mask, and the results of my scalp were amazing. So when you finish adding all of your powders, you just want to go ahead and mix everything up until you get desired consistency. Of course, the texture or the consistency of your mask is going to thicken, so I go ahead and add a little bit more rose water, and that is going to get my mask to the consistency that I want it to be, which is kind of like a cake batter, pancake kind of texture, as you guys could see here. And so we're just going to take this mask and apply it to our hair. But I just scratched my scalp and I'm showing you guys all of the gunk and product buildup under my nails. It is really disgusting, but I'm just going to show you all of the product buildup that is my hair, my scalp. My hair really needs to be cleaned, so this mask is definitely going to do the trick. So of course you just want to apply the mask as you would, and I'm just gonna pause for cause, see if I can get a thumbnail. And just gonna go ahead, apply the mask all over my hair, all over my scalp, and make sure that I really wick it in, get it all in between all of the strands, make sure it's coating every single hair strand and your scalp as well. And again, you really want to focus on your scalp, especially if you have scalp issues like I do with my seborrheic dermatitis. It significantly improves how your scalp feels and looks after. So here I have completed all of my hair. The mask is completely covering my hair and scalp, and you guys could see already the curl definition that is coming through. This mask is so amazing for your hair and scalp, not only for the health of it, but it just makes your hair look so much better. So I'm gonna leave this mask on for a period of maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. Let that just sit and work through your hair and your scalp and do its thing. So I hop into the shower, rinse out my hair, and as you guys could see, like the sheen on my hair is crazy. I also have so much curl definition. I am loving it. My hair looks amazing. You guys could see all of the curls coming through. The shine on my hair is so great. You can see from the look on my face that I am loving how this mask made my hair look and feel. Like there's nothing else I need to say about this right now. And here I am just scratching my scalp all over just to show you guys the comparison and to show you under my nails. It is absolutely clean. There is nothing under my nails. My scalp is really clean, as you guys will see. This mask is just everything. You can see from my scalp, it is completely clean. My hair is clean, and look at the sheen on my hair as well though. So amazing. I absolutely love this mask, and it's definitely something I think you could use bi-monthly, so like every couple of weeks or even like once a month. I definitely think is worth it. Hey guys, so as you guys can see the final result, my hair looks amazing. You can see all of the curls coming through. They are super duper defined. My scalp is very clean and my hair feels very clean. It doesn't feel stripped, but it definitely, like you could definitely tell it is clean. I am loving that. It still feels, it does need to deep condition. I won't say that I could go without deep conditioning because my hair does feel like it needs to be deep conditioned, but it also doesn't feel dry. I don't know if you guys know what I mean by that. But in any event, my hair looks and feels amazing. Perfect to do if you want to do like a wash and go right after, because of how well it defines your curls. It is just perfect. So if you guys ever try this particular recipe to just level up your bentonite clay hair mask, then definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. If you like this type of content, definitely hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the very next video. Take care. Bye.